Connecting tripod on turnstile. This video shows you how to fix tripod on a turnstile. Tripod turnstiles are used for access control. When an employee clocks on the face terminal, the tripod unlocks and allows only one person to pass through. Now, we are about to fix a tripod on a turnstile. Let's look at the parts first. Place the tripod on the turnstile and fix the bolts. When the bolts are fixed, test the tripod by switching on the power and raising the drop arm. If the drop arm stays in position, you have fixed the tripod properly. Also test the rotation after you connect the turnstile to access control terminals.